Welcome to wallcurtains.com. In today's video, we'll show you how to easily cut vinyl plank flooring, even if you're a complete beginner. Let's get started. Vinyl plank flooring is a popular choice for DIYs because it's durable, affordable, and easy to install. One of the most important steps in the installation process is cutting the planks to fit your space. Don't worry if you've never done this before, we'll guide you through the process step by step. Step 1. Tools you'll need. First, let's go over the tools you'll need. For this job, you'll need a utility knife with a sharp blade, a measuring tape, a straight edge or T-square, a cutting board or a protective surface. Step 2. Measuring and marking the vinyl plank. Start by measuring the space where the plank will go. Use your measuring tape to get the exact length and width you need. Then, place the plank on your cutting board and mark the cutting line with a pencil. Make sure your measurements are accurate for a perfect fit. Step 3. Scoring the vinyl plank. Next, use your straight edge or T-square to guide your cut. Firmly hold the straight edge in place and use the utility knife to score the vinyl along the marked line. You don't need to cut all the way through the plank, just score it enough to make a clean break. Step 4. Snapping the plank. Now that you've scored the plank, it's time to snap it. Hold the plank firmly and apply pressure along the scored line. The plank should snap cleanly along the cut. 5. Cutting around obstacles. If you need to cut around obstacles, like door frames or corners, use the same scoring technique, but take your time to make precise cuts. Measure carefully, mark your lines, and score along them. You can use a jigsaw for more intricate cuts if needed. And that's it. Cutting vinyl plank flooring is easier than you might think. With the right tools and a bit of practice, you'll be able to cut your planks to fit any space perfectly. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, share, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos.